Fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas have played a significant role in powering modern society. These fuels are formed over millions of years from the remains of dead plants and animals, which undergo a series of biological processes before being transformed into fossil fuels. Understanding the biological processes involved in fossil fuel production is crucial for understanding the formation and properties of these fuels, as well as their impact on the environment and human health. The first step in the formation of fossil fuels is the deposition of organic material, such as dead plants and animals, in sedimentary basins. Over time, this organic material is buried by layers of sediment, where it undergoes a process known as diagenesis. Diagenesis involves the physical and chemical changes that occur as the organic material is compacted and heated under the pressure of the overlying sediment. As the organic material is buried deeper and subjected to increasing pressure and temperature, it undergoes a series of biochemical reactions that transform it into fossil fuels. These reactions involve the decomposition of organic molecules such as carbohydrates, lipids, and proteins, which break down into simpler compounds such as methane, ethane, and propane. One important process involved in the formation of fossil fuels is anaerobic decomposition, which occurs in the absence of oxygen. This process is responsible for the formation of natural gas, which is primarily composed of methane. Methane is produced by the anaerobic decomposition of organic matter by microorganisms such as methanogenic archaea, which thrive in low oxygen environments such as sedimentary basins. Another important process involved in the formation of fossil fuels is the diagenesis of kerogen, a complex mixture of organic compounds found in sedimentary rocks. As kerogen is subjected to increasing pressure and temperature, it undergoes a series of reactions that transform it into hydrocarbons such as oil and gas. The exact nature of these reactions depends on the type and composition of the organic matter, as well as the temperature, pressure, and other environmental factors. Once formed, fossil fuels are extracted from the ground using a variety of methods, including drilling, mining, and fracking. These extraction methods can have significant environmental and health impacts, such as air and water pollution, habitat destruction, and increased greenhouse gas emissions. Moreover, the combustion of fossil fuels releases large amounts of carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases into the atmosphere, contributing to climate change and other environmental problems. This has led to growing interest in renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and geothermal energy, which offer a cleaner and more sustainable alternative to fossil fuels. In addition to the environmental impacts, the production of fossil fuels can also have significant social and economic impacts. Fossil fuel production often takes place in rural or remote areas, where local communities may be negatively affected by the pollution and disruption caused by mining and drilling operations. Moreover, the reliance on fossil fuels as a primary source of energy can create economic and geopolitical challenges, such as the volatility of oil prices and the dependence of some countries on foreign sources of energy. Transitioning to renewable energy sources can help to address these challenges by promoting energy independence and stability, as well as reducing the environmental and health impacts of energy production. However, the transition to renewable energy sources is not without its challenges, and will require significant investment in research, development, and infrastructure. Moreover, the fossil fuel industry remains a significant driver of the global economy, and the shift to renewable energy sources will have significant economic and social impacts. It is worth noting that while renewable energy sources such as solar and wind power are becoming increasingly popular, there are still challenges to their widespread adoption. One major challenge is the intermittent nature of these energy sources, which can be affected by factors such as weather conditions and time of day. This has led to the development of energy storage technologies such as batteries and pumped hydro storage.